Hello and welcome to the Data Science and Machine Learning course. I am really excited to have you on board. I'm going to start by showing you how to install R programming language and RStudio onto your computer. It doesn't matter whether you have a Linux PC, a Mac, or a Windows PC. The steps are very similar. For my case, I'm going to be doing this on a Windows PC. Just follow along and we'll get it sorted in no time. I'm assuming that you already have a browser. I've got my Firefox browser here, and the first website we need to go to is CRAN, that is CRAN dot r-project.org. So that's where we're going to download R. So I'm going to install R for Windows, and that's why I'm going to click this link here. That's the version I want, so you can select the version for your machine. And once we're on this page, we just go to install R for the first time and then download the latest version here on top. It's going to be the same for Linux and Mac users. It's pretty straightforward stuff. Then once you have downloaded R, just run this file. You get an exe file for Windows and you just need to run it, and that will install the R programming language onto your machine. It's going to be the same for Linux and Mac users. It's pretty straightforward stuff. Then once you have R downloaded, just run this file. It's just the standard installation process. And so I'm just going to take you through this process. Where we come to downloads, this is where we downloaded R. Just run it, and then just leave everything as the defaults. You don't have to change anything. Just next, next. I have already installed R on my computer, so I don't have to do it again. So just follow the default steps, don't change anything, and you will have installed R onto your computer. So let me just cancel that. That's it. So you've got R on your machine. However, to work with R, we also need an IDE, and this is an integrated development environment. As for me, one of the best environments for working with R is RStudio. This is an IDE that has been developed specifically for working with R, and it is very convenient for data science and machine learning stuff. To get RStudio, we just need to open our browser again, and we need to type www.rstudio.com. and when you type that, you will be brought to this website. It is posit.co, and then just click here at the top, download RStudio. You will again be redirected to this other page. Just scroll down. We can accept the cookies. Since we had already installed R onto our desktop, we just need to come down here, scroll down, and download the free version of RStudio. So just say download free version. You don't need to go for the version with the license. So scroll down. We have already downloaded R, so we don't have to do that again. If you click this link here, just here, it will download R for you, but we have already done that, so we don't have to do that again. And what we need to do is scroll down here and get to download RStudio desktop. I'm going to be doing it for Windows. If you are on another distribution, maybe you can do it for Windows here, down here, Mac, Ubuntu, all these are here for you. So I'm on a Windows PC, so I'm just going to download the RStudio desktop for Windows. So just if you're on a Windows machine, just click that. Then it will redirect you for a little bit, but the download will start immediately. It's quite a big file. It's about 182 megabytes as I'm recording this, but it could be different depending on when you're watching it. So since I have this already, I'm just going to cancel it there, then go to downloads. Here I have downloads. I'm just going to take you through the process of installing RStudio. So just run it. Again, with installing RStudio, it's also pretty straightforward stuff, and you just need to leave everything as the defaults. So we just click next, next, like that, next. You don't need to change anything. It is a big file, so you just wait for it to finish, and then you will have installed both R and RStudio onto your machine. Once it is done installing, so we just click finish here, and then to run R, we just need to come down here to the taskbar, and then in this search icon, just click it and search for RStudio. Just type in RStudio. It will be our first program here at the top, so click it, and just like that, RStudio opens on your machine, and there we have installed RStudio. So congratulations, we have downloaded and installed both R and RStudio onto our machines. I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial. We're going to be looking at data preprocessing in R. This is a very crucial step in creating machine learning models, because without data preprocessing, our machine learning models wouldn't function properly. So until then, enjoy machine learning. I know I said properly. See you.